Hey y'all, so I am on a little work trip and we went to Burlington and I want to show y'all what I got. Okay, I gotta go, so I gotta go quick. This was $8.99, real cute, so I'm gonna add to my living room. These were $9.99, so they $5 a piece. Real good material. You know, these are cute shorts. Then I got this two-piece set. Look at the price. $2.69. Yeah, I know how to find them. And then I got these coconut face masks. It comes with 7. And then I got a face serum. I already done packed that up because I gotta go. But yeah, I just want to show y'all that Burlington. You did your thing. $34. Bye y'all.